Hello everybody, it's Emmelis. I hope you're doing well. We are here at the American Osteopathic College for Dermatology, and we're exhibiting and educating people about different group benefits and disability income insurance or income protection, which is my preferred way of calling it. We've encountered a couple of questions and people with different situations, and I think it's important to do a video so that you guys are aware of what's going on in the field and what people are actually asking about, and maybe you have these same questions and we can address them for you. One of the things that we've encountered today is people telling us, well, I have disability insurance through work, it's the least expensive, and I have the coverage I need. We're discovering that people actually don't understand what actually true own occupation specialty means and the importance of having that as part of their insurance policy. The definition of total disability is key when you're a physician or when you have an expertise in general. So it's not just physicians, it's people who have expertise. You want to be able to have other gainful employment and still collect your benefit. This is what you need. You need own occupation specialty definition. So for example, if you became disabled and you couldn't do the particular duties of your own occupation, but you could write a book and tell your experiences. If you want to collect income from the proceeds of the sale of a book, you need to have the right definition in your policy. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able or eligible to receive the benefit and have that gainful work as well. If you want to become a public speaker and tell people about your situation and teach them on different topics. If you wanted to be a professor at a university because you couldn't do the duties of what you're doing now, if you don't have true own occupation specialty within the definition of your policy, you would not be eligible to collect your benefit and have gainful employment as well. So that is key, especially when you have people, like I said, with certain skill set, like surgeons, for example. Just because you can't perform surgery and be 8 hours standing up doing surgery, it doesn't mean you can't be a doctor or teach at a university, other doctors or future doctors. Same thing with other people that have other skill sets. So keep that in mind, it's key. And most benefits offered through your employer, most group benefits, do not offer this occupation specialty definition, which is key. So the price, yes, it is important. Premium is important. We don't want you wasting money where you don't have to, but there's always ways around that. There's partnerships that different insurance companies have with organizations and hospitals that will save you money on premium, and you can still have the proper coverage. So ask us the question. If you have another question, leave the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to address it. Another thing that I found very interesting, and I've been seeing this tendency, which is kind of sad, but I'm happy to be here because of it, is a lot of residents and medical students have no clue what income protection is. Did you hear that? They have no clue what income protection is or what a disability income insurance policy means. And therefore, we're happy to be here and teaching them the importance of doing this, of having this kind of protection, the importance of doing it now while they're in residency. Number one, it's the cheapest it'll be ever. And number two, they're the healthiest it'll be now that they're young and in residency. And so they can log in their health. They can put in features that will allow them to increase the benefit that they'll be eligible for later on as they have a higher income outside of residency and they go into private practice or wherever they may end up being. So like I said, we're happy to be exhibiting here. We're happy to be answering these questions that are crucial for people to understand. We're encountering people that are new, physicians that are new to their specialty or that are still in residency, and we're encountering veterans that have had policies for 15, 20 years, and now they're finding out, oh, wait, I don't have what I thought I had. So it's important to review your policy. If you have questions or you're not sure about something, ask us. We're very approachable. We're happy to help you and answer any questions that you have. And we look forward to educating you. So put your question below. If you don't know what income protection is, then look up my YouTube channel, Disability Insurance Queen, so you can learn more about this important benefit. And if you know anybody who has income, make sure that you reach out to them and tell them you need to protect it. Disability Queen here. Talk to you later.